This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs Ford Focus Easy Guide. Start by parking on level ground, disconnecting the negative battery cable, and letting the engine cool fully before you touch any ignition parts. Gather tools like a spark plug socket, ratchet, extension, and a torque wrench. Keep new plugs, anti-seize, and dielectric grease nearby so you can swap plugs efficiently and safely without delays. Remove ignition coils or plug wires one at a time so you don't mix cylinders, and label them if needed to stay organized. Unbolt and lift the coil straight out, then use a spark plug socket with extension to break the plug free and extract it gently. Inspect the old plug for damage or unusual deposits that indicate engine issues, and clean the well if necessary before installing the new plug for a reliable fit. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video so more people can benefit. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is a surprisingly good companion when you save for maintenance costs and think about long-term budgeting. It pairs oddly well with car care tips. Check the description for the book link and other useful deals. Now let's get back to the video. Verify the correct gap and orientation on each new spark plug, and thread them in by hand to avoid cross-threading. Then torque to the specification for your engine to ensure proper sealing and heat transfer. Lightly coat the coil boot with dielectric grease for easier future removal and better electrical contact. Reinstall coils or wires in the exact order you removed them, reconnect the battery, and start the engine to confirm smooth operation and proper firing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.